What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will be unboxing the Lacie rugged USB-C 5TB hard drive. Let's go ahead and take a look. So there is the front of the box. It says 5TB in the right hand corner, Lacie in the left hand corner, rugged USB-C, all-terrain mobile storage solution. There we go. Flip it to the back side. What the back kind of looks like here. Let's flip it to one of the sides here. This tells you that it's shock resistant. It says there is a 3-year recovery capability service that's included. Let's flip it to the other side. So the other side says what's in the box. It also talks about the rugged design, specification, compatibility, and so on and so forth. There's the back again. Let's look at the bottom of the box. Okay. And the top of the box. Okay. So let's go ahead and open it up. There is a little plastic sealant. The reason why I bought this is because I do photography and videography, and then I also do YouTube videos, so things are ramping up for me and I need more space. I do have a Lacie hard drive that's also 5TB, but I'm running out of space, so it is much needed to purchase another one. So that's what it looks like inside the box. Before we take it out, let's go ahead and pull this out, just like that. Okay, let's put this off to the side for a second. Let's look inside the box. Nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Let's swing this back in. And all you have to do is just pull this back. Nothing else in there. And there's your Lacie 5TB hard drive. Has a nice rubber padding around the side of the whole Lacie. There is the USB-C input. So that's the front side. And then we'll flip it to the back. There's nothing on the back. Put it down for a second. And let's check out this box that it came with. Okay, it just basically tells you how to plug everything in. Let's flip it to the other side. And let's flip it to this side. Just a barcode on this side. Talks about the Adobe Creative Cloud. And let's flip it to the back. Okay, so now gotta figure out how to open this up because our cable is in there. And I should flip up. Here is your cable. Both USB-C on both ends, which is good. Most things are these days. And then you get these two different sheets. It's kind of miscellaneous in terms of importance. Nothing on this side. Okay, nothing else in the box. Put that off to the side. And there you have it. That is what is inside the Lacie box. And there you go. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help me out and does get this video to more people if you do hit the little like button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.